In terms of my artistic influences, I think the biggest ones come from Chile. We have quite a tradition of muralism and graffiti as well. Try to do things with the minimum tools possible. You need to find places and paint or things to paint with. It's that kind of things that give freshness to the art in the streets. I'm also really interested about typography. It has to be a lot with graffiti as well, handwriting. This is a really important part of the design. It's not always the image, it's always the image plus text. Skateboards. That was always my dream as a teenager, and the first one I did when it arrived, I was proud of it and I wanted to show off to everyone, like I did on a skateboard. One of the things that motivated me to start tattooing is to see what I do moving around the city. When you paint a bus or a train, that piece or painting is, in Spanish, is rulando. It's the same as the designs I used to do. See a guy with a tattoo you did, so that tattoo, it's using the city and it's moving around and you kind of make part of the city as well. The biggest influence I have in my process is from a professor from uni. It says that you never finish something, you just leave it behind. Like this design I did now, I think was standing there for 43 years. I did it one time, then a second one, and then I came again for it, and now I finish it, and now I think I can leave it behind. I guess it's always about being bold and fast. The less lines, the less colors, the better. I think I had quite a lucky journey, because some people can do all this research to end up not liking what they're doing. And for me, I feel it's lucky, or just doing what I thought it was the right thing. And so far, so good, just following my instincts. I'm trying at least to be honest with what I do. Again, the wheel is done, so you can just steal something and grab something from here and from there. Right, I'm doing my own wheel. I'm being honest about it. This is me. It's not perfect, it's not beautiful, it's not whatever, but it's something mine.